All right, so we've upgraded your push-ups. We've made them more difficult working on the pecs. Now I'm going to give you 2 push-ups riffs, which we, for a while, are going to work with our push exercise, but they'll later become shoulders and triceps exercise. The first one I'm going to show you here, I call a shoulder push-up. Now, believe it or not, this is how I did push-ups until I learned to do them correctly. Technically, they're wrong, but we're going to do them intentionally as a shoulder exercise, and there's a lot of ways you can do it. But remember, for the pecs, we're down low, and we're adducting, and we're scooping that arm down low to get right into that pec, which comes all the way up to the armpit and drives them down. Now I'm going to bring these up, and I'm actually going to shrug my shoulders up a little bit, which I'm always telling you not to do. I'm going to push from the shoulders. So this front deltoid is going to be the prime mover. Come on around here. So I put those up a little bit. I might bring my hands a little closer. I'm going to try to use as little pecs as possible, okay? All the core stuff is still good. The head's still back. But if you'll look and notice, I'm driving a full contraction through that shoulder at the top. And you can see the pecs are doing some work, but I'm not doing that low down pec finish. I'm doing it up high, up at closer to my in my head kind of thing, shoulder squeeze, driving those in like that. Now, technically, you're not as strong here. But I would like you to do, when you're doing these, start at 7. And again, you could get up to 20 of these on the block. And then there's other ways we can get the shoulders on the floor. But you can mess with the angle. Sometimes I even pike myself like this. If I pike, now I'm coming down almost more like an overhead press. And that really gets the shoulders, and that really takes the pecs out of it to a large degree. What's the point of doing them wrong? Well, it's not doing them wrong. It's learning how to do a similar push motion using different muscles. This is what I'm selling. It's not just putting muscles on. It's learning how your muscles work, how to turn the right ones on, turn the ones off that you don't want. This is how you get embodied. This is how you get more in touch with yourself. This is how you do the work that you want to do and drive your vehicle with a lot more elegance, consciousness, and grace.